everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this Lamborghini Huracan. We're installing DMC carbon fiber lip kit and we've already installed the Capristo exhaust system. So in a way I'll make you hear how it sounds. But for now let me show you, we are just done with the front lip, side skirts and diffuser is remaining. Let me show you guys. So this is the front lip of the Lamborghini Huracan. Looks really beautiful. Side skirts remaining. And the diffuser is remaining. That's the Capristo exhaust system. So this is the diffuser, fully carbon fiber. So as you can see, we have already installed the DMC spoiler. It's fully carbon fiber. And that's the DMC diffuser. As you can see, and that's the side skirts, DMC as well. So the front split is done, side split is under process. Looks beautiful with the DMC kit. The spoiler is done and the diffuser is done. This side's done, as you can see. It's really beautiful. It looks so good. DMC. So let's start the engine of the Lamborghini and hear the sound and let me know what you guys think. That was loud. The cold start was really loud. That's the Capristo exhaust system on the Huracan. That exhaust was insane. That's loud. That's so freaking loud. Insane exhaust sound. Amazing. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed the sound. See you. Take care.